Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Q Curiosity Clips. The lack of demand for a certain product due to cancellation of weddings, large events, and celebrations like Easter, Mother's Day, and International Women's Day has forced its cultivators in Netherlands to destroy them. What item exported by Netherlands to the rest of the world are we talking about? If you guessed tulips, you're absolutely correct. Tulips are a type of flowers that are usually cultivated in Holland. They're planted during autumn and harvested in the summer. Tulips were originally cultivated in Turkey, which was known as the Ottoman Empire in the 16th century. It was imported into Holland and soon became immensely popular. The price of a tulip bulb went up by so much that at one point people used them as currency. Isn't that crazy? But how much can we talk about a flower, right? Don't worry, we're not going to bore you with gardening tips for tulips. Instead, we're going to show you all the cool stuff people have been using tulips for over the years. Google's tulip prank. In 2019, for April Fool's Day, Google created a fake advertisement for Google Tulip, a device that lets you talk to your tulip. The video ends with the tulip asking Google to play its favorite song. Unfortunately, tulips have a bit of a dark past too. One of Sylvia Plath's poems, Tulips, is about how disturbed she gets because of how bright and lively the tulips in her hospital room are. Turns out, these flowers didn't bring much luck in the 17th century as well, a popular time known as the Tulip Mania. Remember how we said that at one point tulips were used as currency? Yeah, that wasn't a very good idea. People began to use tulips as money, and you could even buy a house in Amsterdam for the price of a tulip back in the 17th century. Interestingly, this example of tulip mania is used to explain many economic theories. For example, it makes sense for you to pay $1 million for a tulip bulb if you find a potential buyer who will pay $2 million for it. Interesting, right? Something for you to think about. Tulips as food? Yes, tulips are edible flowers. In fact, during World War II, when countries were short of supplies, people used to replace onions with tulips. A flower that tastes like onions, that's got to be the most unusual thing you've heard today. These fabulous flowers are in many parts of the world, and Srinagar is one of them. Srinagar holds a tulip festival in the beginning of spring between March and May. Indira Gandhi Tulip Garden in Srinagar is the largest tulip garden in Asia. Situated on a mountain slope overlooking the Dal Lake, the view is breathless. Now, if you've listened to all these facts and are waiting for the lockdown to end so that you can make a trip to see the tulip gardens, we're here to tell you that you can do it right now. Arundel's Castle in England has a tulip festival which uses more than 180 different varieties of the flower, and they are now offering virtual tours. You can watch and learn more about these beautiful tulips from the comfort of your home. Just like how you can learn more interesting facts and answer questions from the comfort of your home by participating in our Q Shala family quiz on Sundays. Find the link below. We hope that you found this curiosity clip useful. To learn more about Q Shala and attend a free masterclass, then visit www.qshala.com. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you soon.